Hi everybody, this is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Hope you guys are keeping well. Now, this is the third part in my Burson audio reviews. The first one was when I reviewed the Burson Playmate 2. And then I did a video showing how you could upgrade the op amps. And I used the Burson Vivid, V6 Vivid and V6 Classic, and talked about the differences and actually showed the process, and as you can see. So now the last part is looking at power supply in particular. Now before I open the box, I'm just going to run through some of the claims that you have that Burson Audio say their power supply does. In essence, what this power supply does with the Playmate 2, it produces or ensures there's lower noise, and if you have lower noise, that equates to more details. Now I'm going to put this through the test. I'm going to show you what you get in the box as well. And what they are saying here is that off-the-shelf power units have an operating frequency that's just above the human hearing threshold. In contrast, the Burson supercharger works at an even higher frequency, resulting in a much lower DC noise, instantly improving the final signal-to-noise ratio. Now, you can use this product with the Burson audio range, and you can get more details on the website. I will leave a link in the description. So, what they're saying is, by using this, you'll get more micro details. It gives more texture and the decay around each note, as well as more acoustic information in the air between the instruments and vocals. So that's what I'm going to test with various tracks. These are the tracks that I used, and a whole host of others. The thing about this particular unit, which I'll show you, it can be used worldwide. It comes with a 1.8 meter cable of 5 feet, and it's got a multi-stage MOSFET noise filtering. So what do you get in this box? So let's just show you very quickly. When it's all packaged up, let's just hold this up right without it all falling out. That's what it looks like. So this is the charger itself, and it comes built in with that type of connect. You track that, you can then put either the UK style plug, you've got this style of plug as well, and finally this also 2-pin. So you've got all the different plugs. That should be fine for worldwide use. But just to show you, if I this is the one I was using because I'm in the UK, and it simply goes on like so. You'll notice there's Velcro here. Managed to tie that up, and you get a decent, as I said, 5 feet or 1.8 meters. So this is the piece itself. So, and which I like is it's not as big as I would have expected. So the $1,000,000 question is, what does this do? And I use the Playmate 2 because obviously it's designed to work very well with their own gear. So my particular Playmate 2 has had the op amps upgraded to the Burson V6 Vivid. I preferred those more over the Classic. They were better as an all-range op amp. And then I tried using this power supply instead of the one that was provided. And also, I then plugged this directly into the wall socket. I do believe in having proper power supplies. I mean, some of the gear behind me actually is going into a special 4-way block that I use that does filter and clean the mains. Even from some of my computer gear, it does help. So I thought I'd try this and see what difference this made. And with those tracks that I described before, I was very, 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 very surprised. You can actually just sit back and suddenly there is that distinguishable air of the breath of a female vocalist, you can actually just feel that breath. It's not in your face different, but it's just the notes and the instruments, the attack, and it's like going from compressed music to FLAC, but not quite the same. But it's that kind of thing. And obviously, if you live, I would say, in a built-up area where everyone's using the power supply, or you're in a house that's just perhaps an old house, and you've just got loads of stuff connected to everything, or even in a modern house, you've just got loads of gear connected. And we have so many electronics, we have fridges, we have microwaves, all sorts of things. You know, in an ideal world, you'd have a dedicated power supply going just to your audio gear, the stuff that matters the most. But that isn't an ideal world, so you need to have power supply blocks. And a lot of companies do make these power supplies, and they are expensive. This is about $300. So you've really got to be committed to listening to your music. But as I said, there is a difference, and it just lifts the staging, the presence, the musicality to that, just that degree more. And it's beautiful. It's utterly beautiful. If you have some really good headphones like the Hi-Fi Man Arias, the Stealth editions they use, just exquisite, utterly exquisite. You know, if you're listening to rock and you've got some drums, you know, you're feeling those drums, and the timing just becomes, it's just a wonderful experience. But it just cleans that mains out. But as I said, you know, there is a cost just to, you know, if you spend £300, are you getting an exact equation between, you know, the lift in quality? No, it's probably lifting it probably 20-25%, but I think that's worth it because it's such a small investment, and you can use this on other Burson products just to get that better translation of that music and get the most out of everything. Instead of buying a whole brand new piece of equipment, you can just buy a power adapter. And the same principle, you can upgrade the op amps for a completely different musical presentation within the Burson equipment. Such a versatile product. So just going back to this power supply, and they call it the supercharger. So, but whatever the name, it does supercharge the music, but in a way that gives more intricate, more timing, better vocals. You just hear those voices and the breath, and everything just becomes alive. It's just that tiny bit of more refinement. And I suppose that goes to what they're saying about micro details. And that's the difference between a really adequate system that sounds good to something that sounds sublime and is an absolutely world-class system. And you can get some of that quite easily just spending a small amount on something that makes such a world of difference. Obviously, you're going to have questions. I'll answer them all. This is Gavin from Gavin's Gadgets. Take care, guys. Take care, guys. Bye for now.